Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's see what are your messages for you. Okay, what universe wants to tell you for your love life. What is the energy of your person? What's coming your way for your love life? Okay, let's see. What is the energy of your person? What is coming? I'm getting the energy of peace, stability. Okay, something that's gonna make you really happy. But let's see what is coming away. Please guide me. What are the messages for my viewers? Eight of Cups. Your person separated, your person left you, abandoned you. There is this walking away energy. This person walked away. Okay, 8 days, 8 weeks, August month, 8 months from now. Okay, past, like this person walked away and you're waiting for this person to come back. The relationship was good, everything was good initially, okay, but this person left you in the middle, or this person left you without any closure. We do have the Star card, which is again emotion, stability, balance in this connection. So if there is no balance in this relationship, one person is putting effort, second person, the other person is like, not putting much effort, I feel like there will be equal give and take from the both the sides. Okay, both of you will put effort in this relationship. This person was behaving very egoistic or very stubborn, very dominating in this relationship, and they were just thinking using their logic rather than emotions, and you feel that part missing. Okay, you wanted emotional stability, you wanted that emotional balance in this relationship, which was not there. Okay, so this person gave you a tough time. This person was not able to understand your emotions. If you are crying, if you are telling this person what is bothering you, this person with the Emperor card was all not ready to listen to your emotions. Okay, not ready to kind of put effort, because very negative, or I feel like this person is very aggressive also. But yeah, this person has given you a very tough time. Okay, very controlling, dominating, complaining, always putting accusations on you, blaming you for fights. Yeah, this is like the Emperor energy, but I feel like they somewhere getting wiser here. They are thinking about you. They want to have balance in this relationship. Universe is telling you, if the balance was lost between you and your person, now balance will be recovered. Okay, with the Star energy. Please guide me. What are the messages for my viewers? What they need to know? Yeah, Four of Cups. See, this person really gave you a tough time. No matter how much effort you are putting here, this person has always been rejecting this emotion, this energy. Your effort is always in vain. Okay, no matter how much you kind of give this person love and effort, it's always useless. It's always like you feel like no matter how much I do for this person can never be happy. This person will always behave like aggressive, not happy, stubborn, rigid energy. Okay, and that will make this person disappoint later, of course, because now I feel like this person is realizing it. They are realizing that they have missed the opportunity that was coming towards them. Okay, and this is like very effortless action from your side. Okay, this is like they are getting this thing. What I mean to say here is that they were getting things effortlessly from you. Okay, they did not put any effort, but they were getting lots of love, lots of emotion, support, and free, because you were always there, present for this person all the time. Okay, and this person was like, everything is coming back, coming to me without putting effort. Why should I put effort? So that's how, guys, like, you don't need to chase, you need to kind of attract the energy of love towards you. Okay, and if your person really loves you, they will give you love. Okay, if this person really kind of have emotional stability towards you, this person will come to you. Okay, yeah, Page of Swords, still looking back, not able to move on. Page of Swords energy is action energy. Okay, you could be a water sign dealing with air sign, or you both could be water sign as well. Okay, but yeah, this is very arrogant energy I'm getting from this card, and this person has been very arrogant and very in attitude. Okay, the justice will be served. Okay, so justice is there, you are getting justice for sure, because I am telling you, this person did not treat you right. This relationship was all messed up because of your person did not treat you right. They did not give you love in this relationship. They were only the receiver. Okay, that's the problem, that they were only the receiver. Okay, and you were loving, you love this person, and they knew that you have lots of feeling for this person. Still they did not do anything about it. Okay, they just took you for granted here. Now they are realizing that, that's why they are coming back to you. They want to kind of make things right. They are coming with communication. Maybe they are realizing the Hangman energy, separation, no contact, it's going to change, because you know you are getting justice. You are getting justice. Apology, sorry. Okay, this person wants to give you right treatment. They are realizing that they have done wrong. Okay, so you are getting justice. If you are waiting for justice, that this person did not treat me right, I want this person to realize what they have done. So here you go, you are getting justice for that. Okay, and if you feel like do this person realize that they have hurt me? Yes, because we have justice energy. They were happy in their own world. Okay, 9 of Cups. They thought they will be happy in their own world. They chose their own path and they left you behind. Okay, they left your emotions behind. But now they are looking back. They are hoping for everything will be fine. Everything will be all right between you both. Okay, the justice will be served, guys. 11 days are very, very important. 11 weeks are very, very important. Okay, you could be November born, or this person could be November born. But this person will return back. Yeah, 6 of Cups. This person is going to return back. You guys know each other for so long, and this person is going to return back because they miss you now. The separation somewhere, see, Temperance energy, equal give and take. Okay, this person is ready to pour love in your cup, which was empty. Okay, this relationship went empty. Now this person with the 6 of Cups really miss you. They miss you badly. Okay, they want to reach you out. They want to come back to you. Okay, you guys know each other for so long. Emotional exchange. You both are exchanging love cups. Okay, there is love exchange between you both, gift exchange between you both. They want to mend things with you. Or I am seeing communication that is going to this is like a very surprise. Okay, this person is offering you this cup here. Okay, this will be like a surprise to you that this person is doing this. This person is coming with a pleasing energy. This person is coming with a sorry and apology. Okay, this person will say sorry to you. This person is regretting that they did not treat you right. Okay, let's see some messages for you guys. What are your messages? What you need to know, okay, from your person? What you can expect in your relationship? Give me another chance. So yeah, they want another chance in this relationship. Okay, give me another chance. I'm telling you, they are coming back for another chance. When they left you, now they want to have another chance in this relationship. Okay, want to change the past. Of course, they did not treat you right. Now they want to change the past. They want to change whatever has hurt you. Okay, traveling, growth, happy times. They are traveling towards you. There is growth in this connection and happy times that's waiting ahead for you. Okay, so this is what I'm getting again. This person wants another chance, guys, but it's going to be your decision, what decision you take. You are getting justice, but again, it's your decision what decision you are going to take, because they are coming for another chance. Okay, they want another chance. This is justice. This is like apology. This is like sorry. Okay, they are coming for another chance because they messed up everything. Okay, they want to change the past as well. Okay, this is like apology and sorry, big justice energy I'm getting. This person wants another chance in this relationship. But again, guys, your decision, whatever decision you feel like, do that. Okay, and I hope you will make a wiser decision. So this was your reading for you. I'm going to end it here. Take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys. Have a lovely day ahead.